everyone, today we're going to be talking about heat transfer. Well, there are three ways he can be transferred: through convection, conduction, or radiation. You don't understand what these words mean or what this picture is? Obviously, I'll explain it to you. Side note, heat always transfers from hotter to colder objects. Now, convection is basically when heat travels in a circuit and takes its energy with it. Look at this example of the fire. The fire creates hot air. The hot air rises because it has become more dense. Once it's up there, it actually becomes even more dense whilst it cools down. When it cools down, it obviously returns to the bottom where it gets reheated again. This just continues in a circuit called convectional circuit. In this case, the convectional circuit is actually carried out by the air. However, convectional circuits can also be carried out by liquids. Moving on to conduction, the heat actually travels through kinetic movement. Now here's an example of a pot actually cooking. Now the metal pot gets hot and you want to touch it. However, since it's become so hot through the conduction, it's safer to use a glove. Now the way conduction actually works is that one warm molecule that's vibrating will bump into other molecules, creating them to vibrate and eventually heat up. Now in this experiment, we have little wax balls attached to a metal spoon floating over a candle. This candle will create heat and create the molecules to cause conduction within the metal spoon. This will cause the wax balls to melt and fall off. In radiation, it's all about the rays that carry the heat. So let's say I add sunlight. The temperature inside of the house will rise simply because the solar rays carry the heat with them. In this video, we have the warm rays of the sun melting the cold ice cube away. Hopefully you understand what convection, conduction, and radiation actually are. Besides that, the light bulb. I'm pretty sure that's a type of radiation.
I understand the force and energy, quantum mechanics.